Xiaomi Precision Screwdriver Set. So I got it today for around 30 euro, 29.99 or something like this, very close to it. And let's open it to see how it is. I heard a lot of good things about it, so let's see. In the box there was only the screwdriver kit. There was nothing else except this. It's a nice box. So the body is metal, like full metal, solid metal. To open it you need to press. There is like a click sound to it, and very nice design, very smooth looking, and there is all the extensions that you will need for any kind of electronic repairs, from laptops, tablets, mobile phones, etc. It feels very good in your hand. It's slim. There is top that it's rotating, which is very important when you're unscrewing and screwing all day. And the extensions, all of them, they're all full metal, and they're all fully magnetic, which is another very important thing for the screwdriver set. Need to be fully metal. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Yeah, so it's a just short review with a short voiceover. If you had any of this, tell me what you think. If you did not have any of this, I'm going to test them, and then I'm going to give you a review how it went with testing.